I bought this bandsaw off of Craigslist. I went out, looked at it, started it up, cut a couple pieces of thin ply. It seemed to work okay. And when I brought it home, I was cutting a cutting board for making a special set of parallels for my machinist vise. And in the process, the belt kept coming off. So I kept reaching up underneath it, putting the belt back on. It wouldn't go but a short time, and the belt fell off again. So we pulled off the covers. When we pulled off the covers, we found that the pulleys were not in alignment. The top pulley was missing both the set screw and the keyway. And the bottom pulley wasn't out far enough to meet it even when the top pulley was at the full extent of the shaft. So we did a little bit of alignment work on it, and we brought it back in. And now I'm happy to say that I have a nicely working bandsaw. It had a few problems from somebody who didn't know what they were doing, and I don't know what they were doing when they did it.
Well, it was a rough job, but we got her done. Whoever put this on the last time had no idea of belt alignment. We got all the issues solved. We got a keyway in it, and it's a better saw than it was when it arrived to me. I've also got all the motor mount bolts on there this time. It came with 3, and all the bolts that run through the motor, through the case, and hold the end bells on, all of them were loose. But for $200 for a 12-inch Craftsman bandsaw, I did good. I'm happy with the purchase. Yard, where today we're fixing the cement mixer. It seems that the hornets were nesting in the motor, and that's preventing the start switch from kicking over. So just a general clean out of the back of this, and to polish the contacts of the start switch with some fine sandpaper, and she'll run again for another few years. This is a cheap cement mixer. I wouldn't own it, except I bought it non-working for $25. I figured for $25 I could probably fix it, and I was right. And for me, since I'm not the most outdoorsy type, a cement mixer's kind of handy. Anyway, that's another one of these little helpful things. This is the centrifugal switch right here. This is the portion that moves in as the motor speeds up, and when that moves in, it releases this, and that's how that works. Another fine job. This video that I'm doing today is a lot of odds and ends because I've been busy around the house. Life gets in the way. I'm building a shed for my woodworking machinery, so I got a nice place to redo my kitchen from. And so getting my cement mixers out and pouring the footings around it, I'm just going to do a patio, and enclose it. That's it.